हेलो जी, नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है सोनाली एंड बाय द टाइटल यू नो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी नेवर हैव आई एवर। ये एक स्पाइसी नेवर हैव आई एवर होने वाला है एंड दैट्स आई एम गोइंग टू डू विद माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेघा। सो यस वी आर गोइंग टू डू सो। कैसे होने वाला है ये, मतलब जैसे मैं बोलूँगी कि जैसे हमारी मेघा की सिस्टर है प्रज्ञा, सो प्रज्ञा इज गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। सो जैसे उसने बोला कि नेवर हैव आई एवर सिंग अ सॉन्ग आई हैव, तो मैं एक बाइट मिर्ची की लूंगी, ठीक है। अगर इफ आई हैव तो, अदरवाइज इफ आई हैवंट सो देन वी हैव अ चॉइस कि हम थोड़ा सा पानी पी सकते हैं। हाँ अच्छा, वन सिप पी लेते, मुझे थोड़ी प्यास लग रही है। ठीक है, I'm ready now.
Chilies are going to be extra spicy. So think before you say it.
हाँ, ये हम
But you have to be loyal. You have to be.
That's right. अब ये going to be true. हाँ, हम झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे। और also ये चिली अभी हमने fresh garden से निकाली है, of course. But are you excited for this?
I'm very excited.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Fun?
Yeah, of
Do
course.
you like spicy food?
Dude, I mean, I love spicy, but I cannot eat spicy. Like I love spicy things, but then जब मैं spicy खाती हूँ तो मेरी हालत खराब हो जाती है. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but मैंने इसके लिए हाँ बोल दिया है. तो let's see. अभी हमने fresh makeup भी किया है, वो सब बहने वाले हैं, so it's okay. It's going to be fun, but I'm also very excited.
Right. And also the questions are being asked by Pragya, and she has a list of 200 questions, and she's gonna opt some 10 to 12 questions out of it, which we have no clue about.
Of course.
And we are not gonna lie, Sonali. Especially for you, because I know half of the things about you.
हाँ ठीक है, of course I'm not lying.
Otherwise I'll have to interrupt.
मैं इन मिर्ची पे कसम हाथ रख के कसम खाती हूँ कि मैं जो भी कहूँगी सच कहूँगी, और सच के सिवा
सारी मिर्ची मुझे खानी पड़ेगी।
नहीं, हमने मतलब we have got like 10 questions और 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन उसके बाद बोनस क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं अगर हम सरवाइव करें तब तक, तो मिर्ची खाने के बाद, बट वी विल डिसाइड इट लेटर ऑन, बट वी हैव गॉट 10 क्वेश्चन.
Do we have a choice to leave?
No, of course we do not have any choice to
We
leave.
don't have a choice. Right.
Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Right.
Pragya, shoot the questions. बोलो. हाँ.
Never ever ever.
She's my sister for sure. I was so fucking confused.
सब एक जैसे बोले हैं. Never have I ever dated a guy.
छी यार.
You go first.
मैं क्यों हम दोनों नहीं जा सकते? I have never dated a guy, to be very honest. I have been in love, so I think I can skip this one. Of course यार, come on. कितना खाना ही नहीं है.
A bite.
Bite में तो पूरा भी आ सकता है.
A bite. But you have to make sure that you. Oh no. That's not enough. At least this much. A bite has to be this much.
जब मेरी बाइट तो इतनी सी है भाई, मैं तो इतनी.
And this is the smallest chili which we have, by the way.
दोनों साथ खाते हैं प्लीज. हाँ.
So you go first now. That's what I'm saying. Explain.
क्या?
Explain.
Yeah, of course. So yeah, I have dated a guy. I mean, of course, I have dated. That's why I'm eating chili. And I am in deeply, madly, truly in love with myself. But still, I'm eating this chili.
Right. But then you have a minus point for eating
अच्छा
the
ठीक है.
1/4 of it. So obviously I have, and
Obviously. Obviously.
I'm 47. So how can you really think that I'm not? So I have.
Of course. I have dated like in my past I have dated like 50-60 guys. So
That was not dating, dude. That was not dating, first of all. I cannot use that term, but that was not dating.
I should be eating this all, but no. Just kidding. JK.
JK is gonna be new thing. JK.
हाँ, but of course, yeah.
Right.
So yeah. Okay. अभी तक तो अच्छा है, चीज़ें ज़्यादा spicy
Right,
नहीं
we
है.
have not eaten only.
हाँ. ठीक.
Second bite is this much.
मेरी पतली सी है, तेरी मोटी. ठीक है.
This is my
क्या?
figure and this is yours.
हाँ ठीक है. चलो ये भी justified.
Right.
Never ever ever faked sick from work.
नहीं, पहले तो तुमने never ever ever.
मंत्र never ever ever.
तो फिर पहले तुम ठीक से बोलो. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever
हाँ.
faked sick from work.
Faked sick from work. I have done it a lot.
You are still doing that.
Seriously, I'm not doing it like for last few months, but I have done it a lot. I have faked sick. I have like faked fallen from stairs and everywhere. Like I have faked broken my bones. So yes, of course.
Yes.
Everyone, I think सभी लोग करते हैं ऐसे ना. हर कोई यार फेक तो ऐसे नए काम पे जाने का मन करे तो बीमार तो पड़ ही सकते हो. दिस इज यू नो कैजुअलिटी, यू नो कभी
Casualty. You become a casualty after that.
कैजुअलिटी आपको.
After your fake day.
तो ऑफ कोर्स हाँ, ऐसे सब करते हैं. ठीक है, आपने भी शायद किया होगा कभी कभी.
Right,
अगर
right,
आप काम करते हो तो बिल्ले होता है.
नहीं करते हो तो घर से किया होगा.
नहीं हाँ, हम करते
स्कूल में
हैं.
क्या होगा, कहीं तो किया होगा
हाँ
यार.
सही बात है.
Not
बहाना तो
wrong.
बनाते हैं हम लोग.
Right.
ठीक है.
I've done it for 15 days when I was in my job.
Wow, 15 days.
Dude, they told me that they were, you know, deduct my salary. So I was like,
ये तो मैं करूंगी,
I
अभी
know.
दोबारा भी करूंगी.
Right,
Always
right,
take
right.
sick from work.
this is.
क्या?
Can I do it? Okay.
हो गए पूरी
Yes,
सारी?
right.
थर्ड
Just like पूरी खा लो. This is so spicy.
ठीक है, ज़्यादा spicy.
Never have I ever faked about my income.
Faked about my income. Faked about my income. I'm just thinking, मतलब.
Doesn't even care how much you earn.
नहीं. तो मुझे इसमें प्लस पॉइंट मिलेगा बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज वेरी ऑनेस्ट. अगर कोई भी पूछता है कि तुम कितना कमा रहे हो, बीट लाइक एनी ऑफ माई जॉब्स, तो मैंने हमेशा बोला है कि अगर मैं 10,000 भी कमा रही हूँ तो मैं 10,000 बोलती हूँ. अगर मैं 6,000 भी कमा रही थी एक टाइम पे, मैंने 6 भी बोला. इफ आई एम अर्निंग 30-35 तो आई से लाइक इतना है. और बल्कि मैं ऐसे करती हूँ ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछ रहा है कितना कमाती है तो मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन भी करती हूँ कि मैं ऐसे इतना कमाती हूँ. मतलब ये चीजें तुम और करोगे तो तुम्हारी अर्निंग ऐसे होगी. तो या
Right.
आई एम ऑलवेज ऑनेस्ट अबाउट माई इनकम बिकॉज मैं किसी को ऐसे वो नहीं करना चाहती गलत वे में इन्फ्लुएंस ना.
Right.
हाँ ट्रू.
So I will be very honest. I've done a single job in my life. So how can I fake? I've not faked any time. Cheers.
चलो बच गए थैंक गॉड. मिर्ची से बच गए. अभी मेरी मिर्ची थोड़ी सी बची है बस. ठीक है.
अब ये तेरी ना पूरी.
उसने 3 ही क्वेश्चन पूछे अभी.
You have to. I'll do it half, and you'll do it half.
ठीक है.
Right.
Never have I ever convinced a friend to dump his or her partner.
I'll go first. So as you all have no clue, but I'm single. I'm very single. You can see
Very
that.
single.
And you know, every time I was single, I thought that everybody should, you know, do breakup. Right? Time when I did my breakup sort of thing, then I realized कि यार बकवास होता है प्यार, वो छोड़ दे भाई. करियर देखो, करियर सबसे पहले. It is so fucking important. So
Okay.
yeah, I've done it. Lot of time.
Go for it.
Lot of time.
Go for it.
Obviously, I'll have to.
हाँ. इतना छोटा सा बाइट तुझे ज्यादा लेना चाहिए. Ew.
So spicy, and she's cheated actually. I'm not supposed to keep this one.
Then why you didn't? ठीक है. तो मैं बताऊंगी मतलब नेवर, मतलब ऐसे एडवाइस की डम कर दे. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मतलब ऐसे इंटेंशनली आई नेवर वांट मतलब कि किसी का रिलेशनशिप ऐसे स्पॉइल हो या ये हो. बट इफ आई नो माई फ्रेंड एंड आई नो द गाय एज वेल, नो द गाय एज एन लाइक मतलब जिस वे से शी एक्सप्लेन्स, तो हाँ मैंने मतलब एडवाइस देती हूँ मैं कि इफ ही इज गुड और नॉट. मतलब आई एम नो वन टू जज, बट ठीक है, तुम्हें बातों से पता चल जाता है कि मतलब वो अच्छा बंदा है कि नहीं. अगर नहीं होगा तो सच में मैं उसको कन्विंस करूंगी कि नहीं यार, यू डिजर्व मच, ऑफ कोर्स यू डिजर्व मच बेटर. सो प्लीज गो फॉर.
Will you please stop explaining because we're running out of time?
हाँ तो मतलब क्या मेरा ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बट हाँ I have advised only because
Yes.
only for their benefit. पता है मैंने
That's
उसको
okay.
कभी
We are
नहीं
not
बोला.
asking you. It's about have you or have you not.
हाँ ठीक है, I have मतलब ठीक है. मैं खड़ा हूँ.
Eat this one, you will let to know.
मैंने चबाई नहीं रही, मैं घूट दे रही हूँ उसको. शिट, कल पॉटी आई.
रोज आती है यार.
कली आई है. ये मिर्ची वाली कली.
Never have I ever stalked someone before a date.
अबे यार. I want water.
No. You go first.
Of course I have like cause मतलब I have stalk someone before a date, but I was not assured that I'm going to date the guy, but he was like quite interested in me. So I have just checked the only thing I was checking कि date of birth कहीं वो मुझसे छोटा ना निकले, तो that's all. And then फिर मैंने ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत देखा and then I like, और फिर मैंने और देखा और मैं देखती गई and then we finally of course met.
Go for it.
It's spicy.
It is fucking spicy, man. That was nothing. I know it.
पहले तू बोलना तब तक मैं बीच में खा लूंगी.
Okay. No. You eat it. घुटना बंद.
अच्छा
चबा
रही हूँ मैं क्या जबरदस्ती.
So I've never stalked a guy before a date because I've never ever dated a random guy. I've been friends with people and then I thought of dating them.
Lucky.
So I'm very lucky and that is how everybody should do so that you get time. You don't
To
have
drink
stop.
water. चल.
And to drink time. To drink water also. It is so fucking cool. Next question.
Never have I
She's
ever
a guy.
lied about my age.
I'm not a guy. I should eat all the 10 chilies.
No.
Oh, she lied this time.
I swear on God, मैंने कभी किसी को झूठ नहीं बोला कि मतलब मैं इतने साल की हूँ, मैं जितने साल की हूँ मैं हूँ. That's fact. And if I'm too young, no one can help. And if I'm sweet 16, no, मजाक कर रही हूँ यार.
No.
I'm never.
Fine, then in that case.
I'm never.
I have to be very honest. I was 26 for 4 to 5 years. Since 2016, I was 26. And even today, I'm 26.
तुझे तो दम मिर्ची खाना चाहिए अपना झूठ बोलने के चक्कर.
No. My mom told me day before yesterday that what's your age? And I was like, no, I cannot believe that. She told me, you read your Janam Patri, you'll get to know. So that was the time when I actually got to know. And I was not lying, I was not aware.
हाँ, of course. मतलब एक बंदा 4 साल से 26 साल की है भाई, 26 पे टक गई उसकी.
Should I die? Do you want me to die eating this? Okay. Next question.
Never have I ever looked through someone's phone without their permission.
I'm good
Without
at that.
their permission, no, of course, यार. I have not. I am not that cheeky. नहीं मतलब only my partners, मतलब boyfriends, but
Yeah, so we have not given you options as to what.
but अब तो I know him ना.
No.
I have all the
But
rights.
it is someone is anyone. Someone is anyone. It's your partner. It's anyone. It's your dad, mom, or anyone.
हाँ, okay.
Eat it.
What is this? A stranger होना चाहिए था. Question गलत है.
She doesn't have a choice to change
हाँ,
questions.
ठीक है.
Like,
तो
200
अब ऐसे भी मिर्ची खाने के बाद ना पानी पी के ज्यादा प्यास लग रही है तो तुम्हें खाना नहीं.
Eat it so that I can answer.
आंसर करना
No,
है खाना.
you have to eat it. She's dying. So, what was the question? Okay, I've done it. So there was a guy and she was very cheesy guy. And I already
She was a very cheesy guy.
I said he was.
Huh.
It's because of the chili. So he was a very cheesy guy and he planned a date. So I took my boyfriend in that date, which is weird again. And while he was using the washroom, I knew I already had a doubt on him, and I just wanted to have an option of leaving him or leaving that place. So what I did was I emailed the entire WhatsApp chat. So everybody's WhatsApp chat was emailed, and I still have those emails. And trust me, सारी लड़कियां थी. बहुत बड़ा झूठा था. इतना बड़ा डेट प्लान करके सब लड़कियां थी.
Thank God. You're safe.
Yes, right. But I'm not safe.
Good job. पूरी खा. जल्दी खा.
This is big, man.
ना
Bigger than my ass. I cannot eat it.
खत्म कर दे. इसको मिर्ची नहीं लग रही है भाई. यार कितने क्वेश्चन बचे वैसे?
What's wrong with you?
अबे मिर्ची लग रही है. जल्दी पूछ.
सात हो गए शायद.
सात. जल्दी.
We're doing 10, 12.
हाँ.
Yeah,
10.
12.
It depends. We are doing 10, huh?
Never have I ever purposely given someone a bad advice.
पहले खा लेती हूँ. Never.
No, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice.
I have never given
A sip of water.
I have never. तो इससे कुछ हो भी नहीं रहा है.
I haven't.
ये क्या बात हुई? ऐसे मिर्ची लगेगी नहीं फिर? मैं पूछूं?
Give it to me. I'm all good.
मेरा गला जल
Give
रहा
it to me.
है.
I'm all good.
I can't.
पानी भी क्या और लगेगी? इतना पानी पियोगे,
Right.
पूरे मुंह पे फैल जाती है और लगेगी. Never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
Oh God, I'm dead. I cannot reply too soon.
I never. मैंने कभी किसी को fake phone number नहीं दिया.
I've given a number. I've never given a fake number. I've given my number. I've given my WhatsApp number, but I've never faked it.
मुझसे कोई नंबर पूछते हैं मैं दे देती हूँ because I can block them later on.
Same goes with me.
ये ना करें क्या?
Show me your face. Relax. Gana.
जल्दी पूछो.
Gana. Next song. This will go. Trust me. One song. Gadwali. English.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना.
यहाँ नाक बहना ही है सब.
यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
यहाँ नाक ही बहने जाना.
Never have I ever had a crush on my best friend's boyfriend.
No, yes, I'm safe. No, never.
Never. I've always thought that they are my brother. I don't even call them Jiju. I call them brother.
मेरे जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उनके भाई सब मेरे भी भाई हैं.
All Indians are my brother and sister. मिर्ची नहीं खानी बस.
अच्छा sorry.
Never have I ever had a paranormal experience.
Oh shit, no.
Tell me. Share.
हम गढ़वाली हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज होती है. मेरे पे बचपन में एक भूत चिपक गया था और वो भूत मेरे पे चिपक गया था. फिर वो बड़ी मुश्किल से छुड़ाया. भूत चिपक गया था तो प्लीज मैं मिर्ची नहीं खाना चाहती यार.
हाँ.
मेरी क्या गलती है इसमें?
खा.
गढ़वाली के साथ चिपक जाता है यार. ये क्वेश्चन गलत है.
वो चिपक जाते हैं. खा.
तू बता.
मेरा कभी नहीं हुआ. I've dreamt, but मेरे साथ पैरानॉर्मल कभी नहीं हुआ. She's dead. Trust me, she's dead. हो गया 2 और.
जल्दी लास्ट नहीं. दिस इज द बोनस क्वेश्चन. अब हम
ये लास्ट है.
हाँ.
ये वाला एक्स वाला पूछ लो.
Never have I ever loved Never have I. क्या है ये?
हाँ अभी लीड घेवर.
Never have I ever loved my partner's ex on social media.
Partner's ex. Actually, to be very honest, she stalks me. That's why I have stalked her. Otherwise, मुझे कोई interest नहीं है.
This is a bonus question, right? We are not going to do it.
हाँ, we are not going. Yes, I'm saved. Yes, thank God. तो I have no interest in my partner's ex because you know I think I'm extraordinary and everything. But हाँ, if they have told me like they have sorry.
They have. They were so.
Partner's ex only because she used to stalk me and she still stalks me. Oh my God! But that's why I have only checked the profile. Okay.
That's okay.
हाँ.
We can end it here.
That's all.
And in my case, I have just to see that are they prettier than me or are the girls
Yes,
hotter than me?
that
So I've done
happens.
that. I've done that, and I still watch
Huh.
some of.
So
profiles.
even for my
I've done
case,
Just to see the hotness or.
proactively I won't go and check like okay this was the partner and all. But when they have stalked me first, then only I went on their profile and I checked and then I was like. खराब हो गई. So that's all for this challenge today. बहुत हालत खराब हो चुकी है अब मेरी, मतलब मेरी नहीं, मैंने पानी पी लिया अभी थोड़ा
गलत
better
काम
लग
नहीं
रहा है.
पड़ता लाइफ में सबसे.
चुप रहे, हाँ. कसम से. So हाँ, meanwhile मेरी कैमरे की बैटरी डेड हो चुकी है. And that's all for today's video guys. अगर आपको मजा आया होगा, if you have enjoyed, तो please give a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And till the time, keep going, keep growing, lots of love. I'll see you next time. Bye. And thank you so much Megha for being in my video. And
I'm glad.
इतना फन कराने के लिए और इतनी सारी मिर्ची तोड़ के वेस्ट करने के लिए. और अब हम जाएंगे, अब हम कुछ खाएंगे, घेवर खाएंगे और फिर हम
We'll make some more videos.
हाँ. So yeah. Bye.
Take care. Don't forget to share.